Hi everyone, I'm Chef Annie Michael. Welcome to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification button. Do you have a meal challenge? Leave a comment. If it tastes good, eat it. Right now, I'm going to show you how I make my vegetable soup using my Cam all-purpose seasoning. To begin, I have my smoked prawn, Ugwu, also known as locust beans, smoked catfish, smoked hake, also known as kika, stockfish, fresh cayenne chili, and just one habanero chili, goat meat, Ponmo, also known as cow skin, palm oil, red onion, tomato paste which I made with fresh tomato, onion, garlic, ginger, jalapeno, and cayenne chili, water leaf, also known as Ceylon spinach among many other names, and Ugwu, known as fluted pumpkin. And as usual, my Cam all-purpose seasoning. Here I'm going to start by boiling my meat. Add some red onion. Then I add my cow skin, that's Ponmo. Half a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoonful of Cam all-purpose seasoning. Mix together. Then I add 2 cups of water. Cover and allow to cook for 40 minutes because goat meat takes a while to cook. It has cooked for about 35 minutes, so at this point I'm going to add my stockfish and then the smoked catfish, and my smoked prawn. I'm adding it at this point because I don't want it to overcook and so it doesn't just scatter in the soup. So it's almost 5 minutes till it's ready. That's why I'm adding it now. Watch this. Have you ever fried smoked fish? Wow, give it a try. It's simply delicious. Then I add some onion to give it more flavor. When you fry a kika before cooking with it, It gives it a very nice taste and it keeps it hard so it doesn't break each time you stir the soup. When it's dry on both sides, you take it out. I pour in my palm oil. Stir and allow to fry for a minute. Then I add my tomato paste. Mix together and allow to fry for a minute. Then I add iru. On the other burner, my goat's meat is ready, so I'm going to add it to the mixture now. Mix together. I pour in my goat's meat stock instead of using water. Then allow to fry for 2 minutes. It's almost ready, so I add the Ugwu and the water leaf. Gently mix together. Then I add the smoked fried kika. At this point, I'm putting in my chopped cayenne chili and the habanero chili for highlights and more flavor. Mix together and allow to cook for another 1 minute. When cooking with Ugwu, one needs to be careful with the quantity of salt you put in because it's salty already. So at this point, I'm adding just half a teaspoon of salt. Now the soup is ready. I'm going to plate it with a small round cutter just so it looks nice when eaten. Gently remove the cutter. Wow, doesn't this look good? Don't you want to have a taste? Sure you can. Hit me up in the description section on how you can purchase any of this seasoning and we'll deliver to you. Here it is, how I make my vegetable soup. You can have it with swallow, rice, yam or any sides of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back next Saturday for more exciting recipe. My name is Chef Annie Michael. Remember, if it tastes good, eat it.